Hello, this is my video demonstrating my game. Alrighty, we get past the screen and we go, and from there we can move in all four directions. And as you can see, the status bar, there's score, stock for lives, position coordinates are at the bottom status, along with night vision and a power-up that has not been added in the game yet. There's also random placement of all the items, guaranteed to have at least 3 items ready. Here is a game over screen. This right here is a poison mushroom. Once you hit it, game over. There's a way to press any button to reset the embed. We can start back from the beginning. Press any button. I've also enabled B4 because it wasn't enabled in the main function, and I wanted to be able to use it in 2-2. Here's night vision. I also have a sound that'll play when I go over night vision. And you'll see there's a timer here where it says NV. You'll see the timer go off. Then once it's done, it'll stop playing the sound. It's randomized depending on what you do. Score is set up here. Once we reach a score of 200, we'll end up making it. Here's something to give you points, and also it's a heal, gives you an extra life. Night vision gives you the most points, but it's very helpful. You also are not allowed to collide with walls or any other objects. And also the coordinates are set up in the traditional way you'd see in a physics class here. X, Y coordinates with the vector brackets. I'm currently trying to get our score up to 200. I wanted to show off the final version, no debugging or anything, no button to try to give you 200 points off the spot. It also only refreshes whenever the character is moving. This save in memory, but there's a dedicated timer to make sure that you can do what you need to do. Now we've reached 200 points. This says that the teleporter down here is ready. We can still hit stuff like this and lose stocks. Now, teleporter ready. Because of the random generation, sometimes items will show up right next to each other, because it's all based off of the random module in C++. Getting back to the beginning, here's the teleporter. I have this text that'll show up in a few to just show teleporting. It doesn't really do anything. I just thought it was pretty cool. With all the math, it happens way quicker than it needs to be there. Teleporting. And now we're inside a boss cage with some text to show that we're in the boss cage. When we press the center button, as you can see, the game will end. It'll say you win. Press any button to reset the embed, and then from there you just reset and you'll be able to do it all again. Thank you.